Good morning, I'm Bill Gunter. I'm an area manager with Brooksbury Haynie. We're an electrical contractor here in Georgia. And we're out here in Kennesaw, Georgia this morning jetting fiber for a Georgia DOT broadband project. We're out here jetting two 288 count AFL LM fibers. We've got two jetting machines set up. We're jetting from the first and then cascading at the second down to the end. So we've got about 20,000 feet of fiber that we're putting in today. The day starts the day before with making sure we've got the duct is good, that we've proofed the duct and we know we can get the fiber through it. We also load the reels on the reel trailers and get all that set up to come out here. We've already laid out where our reel ends are going to be and what spans we can do. We'll load the fiber onto the trailers, bring them out here, and then we'll set up the reels will set up at the front end. We'll either blow with traffic or against traffic, just depending on where we can get, where there's sufficient room to pull off the road in a safe space. So, for example, today we're shooting southbound with traffic because we got a good spot here that we're set up at. So the crews will set up, we'll space the machines out based on what our distance is between our boxes, and then we'll get the reel set up at the first location, connect our jetting machines to the duct, blow sponges through just to make sure the pipes are clear, and blow some jetting lube through there. And then we'll get the machine on the duct and start feeding it in. And then basically it's just starting to cascade between the machines. So the kind of critical thing is that all three machines, when we're using three machines at a time, is that they're all synced together. So we've got constant radio communication. The guys are using Bluetooth headsets that are noise canceling, also for hearing protection, because these machines are a little bit loud when they're running full speed. And essentially they'll start pushing the fiber in. At some point we'll turn the air on to get that air cushion going, and then we'll push down to the next box and continue on. So we're not always set up at each box. So there are some boxes that we're spliced directly through, and then it'll go to the next machine, and then they'll bring it out, create a loop, feed it into the next machine, and go on down until we're at the end of the line or at the end of the reel where we got to go.